Good morning. We're here for a bit of an update on our 2003 Yukon Denali GMT 800. As you know, I've been thinking about doing some wheel upgrades for her. Still got the stock wheels on her. One of the reasons I haven't done anything with it so far is because I've got some pretty good Michelin LTXs on there with good tread life, and wasn't in a big hurry to get away with from them because there's nothing wrong with them. Good tires, good tread. But there's been a little bit of a development. I have had a pretty significant tire injury to my passenger front tire, and it's not repairable. It's pretty nasty. It's close to the sidewall. And it's an all-wheel drive, so it's forcing me to make some decisions. So a few things have come up. Upon further inspection, I realized that the Michelins I'm running are only 245s. So they're a little bit skinny, and I'm a larger fellow, folks. A little bit skinny. I don't know. You know, bigger is better, is all I'm saying. I'm just saying. So I was a little bit disappointed to find that out, running a little bit narrower tire than I should be. Didn't look too far into that when I bought it. These came with it. But the other thing that's come up is they're in good shape, but they're also from 2017. So they're 8-9 years old now. But my spare is an all-terrain tire, and throw an all-terrain tire on there, and you know, this one's pretty nasty, but it's got a guy thinking, you know. I was looking at different wheels and stuff, but you know what would look pretty good on this thing is let's just fill out these gaps a little bit with a little bit more aggressive tire and keep the stock wheels. Feel free to comment down below on what you think about that. Another question, has anyone done any tweaking to the front end to get a little bit leveled in their Denalis? Because I think I am going to go with a bigger tire, more of an all-terrain tire, and wouldn't mind leveling it out a little bit. Please feel free to comment down below. Let me know what you think. But that's a bit of an update, and I think tune in because you'll be seeing some new shoes on this one pretty soon.